Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to scan your car with VCDS. First you're gonna do option test, okay, save, then auto scan, start. So as you can see, I have few file codes. So I don't care about it right now. I'm gonna clear all DTC. Correct? Yes. Click yes. It's gonna read the fault codes again. If there's something permanent, it will show you again. So then go back. So everything's fine. Now you can close it. That was